Hey everybody, Bennett McDowell with TradersCoach.com. Today is June 20th, 2021. You know, we're expecting a big sell-off in the market. We may have begun, but we also may not. We have some more support levels that we're looking at to confirm whether this sell-off is indeed the big one, so to speak. We do expect a tremendous sell-off, all right, by the year end. And we're getting closer and closer with the passing of each month. The million-dollar question, of course, is, are we beginning now, or will we rebound from this sell-off we had last week and make more highs? We're just got to wait and see what the market does. But it has not gone below one of our most critical support levels. So until it does, anything can happen. Now, we have a service called the MORE service, which stands for the Market Opportunity Report Service. And in this service, we follow the markets very, very carefully. And we do it on a weekly basis, and we update you during the week as well through our client support videos. So if this kind of service interests you, definitely check out the link below. All right, I put it right down here. Now, that service, all right, is a subscription service, and I can't tell you how valuable that's going to be in the next coming months. All right, so hopefully I'll see you at the MORE service. If not, I'll check in with you from time to time here on YouTube. All right, take care. Thanks.
Serving traders worldwide since 1998, TradersCoach.com provides educational services for traders and investors. We've developed trading software to help traders of every level improve their skills. Our site is dedicated to providing you with all the resources, software, and educational material you need to achieve your trading goals. It's because of our years of experience, attention to detail, and exceptional customer service that we're the right choice. Call us today.